Welcome to this short introduction video for the Insights Hub Launchpad configuration. In this video, we will show you how to customize the appearance of the Launchpad and header. After logging into Insights Hub, you arrive at the Launchpad, where you can find all the applications you have access to. This is the default appearance of the Launchpad, but you have many possibilities to change it to suit your needs. You can replace the Siemens branding with plain text, or even your own logo. You can provide individual links, email contacts, and phone numbers for your users through the standard header, which not only appears in the Launchpad, but also in each application. As an administrator, you can change the background and text colors of the Launchpad itself and all its appearing pop-ups and notifications individually. All of these changes can be made in the Settings tool. For this, you must switch to the System Tools tab and open Settings. There, navigate to the User Interface Customization page. Here, you are able to change everything to your needs. To have full control of your changes, you can see a preview on the right side before you activate them for all users. Now let's change the Siemens brand to your own company name, or simply choose your own logo for the header. Choose the color of your choice for the background. Choose or pick a color for the written text or change it to your needs. To help you fulfill accessibility requirements to provide readable color combinations, the contrast ratio of your chosen foreground and background colors is shown, based on the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines 2.1. You can also influence all other elements on the Launchpad, like for boxes or their text. In this section, you could provide your own link to your support and service team. In the next section of this page, you have the possibility to add your custom links to URLs, email addresses, and even phone numbers. Common use cases are, for example, including your ticketing system that should be used by your users, contact information to the environment administrator, or your own legal and corporate information. If you have international users, you can provide different links based on the browser settings of the user. One example for links: if the user has English set in their browser, it will lead them to an English website, and with a German browser, the link will lead them to the German version of the website. You can realize this by first choosing which language you want to have. Choose as many languages as you want. Now, you have to select each language tab and define the respective URL, email, or phone number. It's important that you use the same name for each language. Finally, you are able to decide the order in which these items will appear in the information pop-up. Now you know how to individually configure the Launchpad and header for your users. For more information, find further links, other videos, and the technical documentation in the description below.